Hi everyone, welcome to Palm Pages. Today I want to teach you how to make someone an admin on your Facebook page. How to basically give somebody an admin role on your Facebook page, or how to give someone a role on your Facebook page. This is my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page. The difference between the Facebook page, and the Facebook profile is that for the Facebook page you can advertise. For the profile, you cannot advertise. Let me go to my profile. This is how you go to the Facebook profile currently. You click on the icon on the top right. Then you click on profile. This is my Facebook page. I've selected it. I'll switch to my page. This is my page. So on the page, you cannot advertise the Facebook page, unlike and it's the same story with Instagram, where you cannot advertise with your personal account for Instagram, but you can advertise with your business account. So this is my Facebook page. This is the page that is managing. This is my Facebook profile. This is the profile that is managing this Facebook page. Yeah, this is the Facebook page. This is Facebook profile. So this is how you switch. So basically, you need to have a profile to be able to create a page, and this is where you create a page. You need to have a profile to be able to create a page. Click here to create a page. So basically, let's go to how to make somebody an admin on your Facebook page. Give the person name. So you click here, you click see all profiles, then you click on your page, the page you wanna do the role assigning to assigning on. So once you do that, then you have to click here to switch. But basically we're on the page. So how do you give the role? You click on setting on the dashboard here, on the left part, that's dashboard. Then you go in, then you go to this is a link. Let's go back. Let's go back. I think you find it in manage. Manage. Let's go to manage. Click on manage here. Then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you click on page access. When you click on page access, then you click on add new. People with Facebook access. Basically, you want to be able to make something an admin, page delete. You want to be able to delete page permission, content, whatever. This one is basically community management. They're basically all about community management. So if you want to give somebody a role that has to do with advertising and managing the page to the extent that the person can be able to delete the page, give permission to people, publish content, message, and other things. So you click on add, you search for the account, you click on next, you search for the account. My account should be. If you can't find the person here, if it happens that you can't find the person here, so what you do is that you have to tell the person to like the page. After liking the page, you friend request the person, or the person friend requests you, and you should be able to find the person here. So this is the person with my email. So if you're finding out to find the person, first of all, you tell them to like the page. They send you a friend request. Both of you become friends on Facebook. Then you do a search again. You find the person. So confirm. So invitation expires in 31 days. Then this is the Facebook page. This is how you get the. This is the Facebook account, the Facebook profile. I want to make the admin on the page. So how do you accept um, a role? Um, how do you accept a role request on your page? How do you accept the role they've given to you on a page on your own profile? First of all, you get a notification here at the top. You click. Once you click, you see it here. So you invited to manage this page and you click on it. Once you click on it, then you have to review the invitation. Review your invitation to have partial control of this page. So you click on review. You can decline if you like. Then this is what I can do. You can manage if you accept. You can manage content, message, whatever. Then you click on next. So you can also switch. There's also something I didn't do. Let's go back. Let's go back. You can give this person 100% control, like the one you gave to this person. Let's check. Let's cancel invitation. Refresh. So you can give that person 100% control. This person, you can give this person under control, like the one you give to this person. So basically, now this person can only do content, message, community activity, ad, and so how do you give this person 100% control? How do you give this person 100% control? What you do? Let's delete this invitation. You click on this button. Okay, let us change access level. Let's go for access. Change access level. Then you do this. Create manual delete ad, remove unwanted comment, respond to direct messages. Now this is not what I want. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Remove access. So let's do it again. You add, search. We can search by email. Person. So you come here. This is what you need to do. Allow this person to have full control. Anyone with full control can give access to others. So this is what you do. This is how you make this person an admin. 100% admin. Then you click on give access. Then this is how you accept. Once again, you click on the notification button. Let's refresh. Click on the notification button. This is the invitation. Then you review. Next, you accept. Switch to the page. This is how you make someone an admin on your page. So thank you. New record. Okay. We'll give it another try. See what it's going to be. I think this is the wrong one. This is it.